Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make soft mahamris from scratch at the comfort of your home. These are the best breakfast delicacy you'll ever have. They just melt in your mouth, especially when you have them with tea. So to start off, I'll be layering out all my ingredients. You will need a half cup of sugar, a spoon of cardamom, 1 tablespoon of cardamom is just fine, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 1/4 cup of water. Then we will need 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. And before we get started, we're gonna be mixing our milk and our water. Room temperature water is just perfectly fine for this. You'd want it to be room temperature and not cold so that your yeast can bloom properly with the flour. So once that's done, we're gonna set that aside and start mixing up our ingredients. We'll be adding the all-purpose flour, the sugar, the yeast, the cardamom, and the milk and water as well. And then we're going to knead it, and once that's done, we'll proceed to the next step. We will ensure to deshell the cardamom so that we can get the seeds, and that is how they look. So you'll just pour them directly onto the flour. We will knead the flour for about 15 minutes until it's smooth, and then we will set it aside and cover it so that it can bloom and rise for about another 20 minutes. Then once that's done, we'll proceed to the next step. So once the dough is ready, it should have risen about twice the size as it was in the beginning. So we'll layer it onto the surface and roll it up, and then we'll cut it into a couple of pieces and then make some small balls out of them and cut them down into slices. Once that's done, then it's set for the frying pan. So this is where you can choose to either roll it out into a very slender thickness, or you can make it as fat as you'd like, just so that you can know the consistency of how you like your mahamris. I like mine medium to thick because I love the filling to be a bit thick. So basically, if you want it slender, you can continue rolling it out really flat, and if you like your mahamris airy, then you can do so. But if you like your mahamris super thick, then you can roll it out to your liking. So now it's ready to hit the pan, and I just heated my oil for about 5 minutes, and then I put them in. You should ensure the heat is not too high so that your filling can quickly cook. If not, then you can just make it super thin, then your mahamris can really cook fast. Once your mahamris have browned and are looking super smooth, then you know you've done the right thing and your mahamris are turning out really good. So once they're done, I'm just gonna take them out and put them onto a drying rack, and they're ready to eat. So delicious, guys. Please try out this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join for more recipes as so, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can be notified when new videos are coming up. So many more recipes are coming, and you can feel free to comment down below what you'd like to see. So see you on the next video, guys. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye bye.